Bollywood filmmaker Anurag Kashyap has broken his silence after an actor Payal Ghosh accused him of sexual harassment. In a series of tweets, Anurag rubbished these allegations. He asked why it took so long, this attempt to silence him. He also took a dig at Kangana, saying that she dragged several other women despite being a woman herself. He further added that this is just the beginning of a series of attacks against him. This comes after actor Payal Ghosh, in her tweet on Saturday, accused Anurag Kashyap of forcing himself on her. She also tagged PMO India for help, citing a risk to her safety. After she put out that tweet, Kangana Ranaut also took to Twitter demanding that Anurag Kashyap be arrested. The National Commission for Women Chief Rekha Sharma asked Payal Ghosh to file an official complaint, after which the case will be taken forward. We also spoke to actor and complainant Payal Ghosh. Here's a conversation that we had with her on exactly what happened and what her allegations are against Anurag Kashyap.
While you have made some revelations about Anurag Kashyap, it took some time for you to do it. What is it that you went through in the entire episode?
See, I went to meet him at his Aramnagar office. Then after that, he called me to his house and he was absolutely nice and he really treated me very well. He cooked food for me and he was talking things which was very inspirational and I was very impressed. And next day again he called, I went, and that day he took me to another room and there he tried to make me uncomfortable, which I felt really bad, and that is when after some time I pleaded him, please let me go, I'll come back and meet you. And then after that I never went and met him ever.
Because Anurag has denied all the allegations, but if he would have apologized to you, it would have been, you would have felt better about it.
Of course, I would have felt better and I would have think that, okay, at least no matter whatever happened with me, but he won't be doing that to any other girl, and he has the conscience, you know. So I would have at least, I would have felt that and I would have felt better, but he denied it. It proves that whatever he has done with me was purposeful.
And he instead went on to boast about doing it with other actors, and he named some of the actresses and whatnot, was unapologetic.
He wanted to tell me that girls are very easily available to him, and he was feeling very proud about it. So all these things also didn't make me feel good, because even if you have any kind of connection with your actors, you shouldn't name them to someone whom you don't even know. Today I'm telling it to everyone, right? So you should have kept the respect. If you have really respected women, you didn't do that.
What is the kind of support you're looking with the industry you go, because they say that this is how it goes on? You have worked with the South Indian industry also. So what is the experience and what message you'd like to say to the rest of the industry?
I would say that we should smash this kind of mentality that we have, that any actress comes so they're easily available and means film mein aa rahe so everybody is ready to do anything. It is not that, and everybody should raise a voice and talk about it, because it has taken for granted that if you're in the industry, in the film industry, these are normal things like घर का खाना बनाना जैसे normal है, ये भी normal है, so you have to accept that. वो जो mentality mindset है, I want people to change that mindset.
Mustafa Sheikh is joining us with more details on the story. Mustafa, what's Payal's response to what Anurag Kashyap has had to say on her allegations?
Yes, Akshita, it's a quite interesting response, because she is saying that this is not for publicity what she is doing. After so much time, she has been able to gather courage. All she is demanding is apology from Anurag Kashyap, because she feels that if it has happened with her, it has happened with others too. And he was instead boasting about doing it with many actors. She has went on to name a lot of few actors. So it is really about her self-respect, and without getting her family's support, Payal has now decided to come out and speak about the entire incident which has taken place with her. She is looking for support from her family so that she can file a formal complaint against Anurag Kashyap. Okay. But at this point in time, she's saying that she's at least feeling better going public about it, because she was having this inside her for years. Back to you.
You know, Mustafa, I just also want you to detail out for our viewers what Anurag Kashyap has said. He's put out a series of tweets defending himself, crying conspiracy almost over what Payal Ghosh has said.
Well, yes, Anurag Kashyap is basically taking the wheel of his political standing, saying that because he's been targeting the government, these allegations have come forward, and she's making these allegations. But he has also said that all the allegations which she's making is false. So at this point of time, Payal is saying that she doesn't want to make a formal complaint, but she can if the family supports her. And she's saying that it is not that after 6 years she's waking up someday and complaining about it. She had even tweeted about this entire incident during the Me Too campaign, but her well-wishers had asked her to delete those tweets. She's saying that as evidence, the agencies will find those deleted tweets also if they want to during the investigation, and hence basically she's saying that the way Anurag Kashyap is going about taking moral stands when he himself has done something like this with her. So she wanted to come out and basically show what has happened to her, narrate her story, and basically also basically motivate other women, other actresses in the industry if they have gone through the same experience. Back to you.
Okay, Mustafa, thank you for those details. Breaking news also coming in on the story now. You've in fact got Taapsee Pannu